gotta fall. I'm so in love and you bracing the fall. Truthfully, I am not bracing at all. Pump on the brakes cause you hate when I call. I'm so codependent on the bitch now. I ain't really focused on getting rich now. She not fucking with you, then you not up in my clique now. If you call her a bitch, you get a taste of the fist now. Everyone talk about my girl like an object. All the time I think of her, I'm thinking of a concept. Working all night, got me thinking like I'm Artest. Fight a customer and leaving stiff like an armrest. All the girls hoes till you need a little company. She scared of her ex, but he ain't really fucking tough to me. My bones gon' snap when the pussy boys jumping me. The baby took a nap, now you need a little less of me. You know I'm gonna put up in the kitchen with the recipe. She got a lot of love, but she don't even know the rest of me. Make a bitch cry face none like ketamine. I'm looking in the mirror when I'm facing all my enemies. I can't take you with me when I move out. Maybe when I cry, but I can even get a shout. Lot of words you wanna say, but you can even get them out. And I can tell the way you feel this by the tremble of your mouth. Make my whole ground shake. You have a right to be outraged. Girl, we had a light, but the route changed. I've been played out, take it downstage. I'm so sorry, I feel like I'm stuck in safari. I pray to God you never call me. Our constant pain is all me. And you can put it all on me. Girl, you can put it all on me. And you can put it all on me, girl. You can put it all on me.